This video is going to be different because I'm not here to motivate you with hype or tell you to just think positive. Because if you're watching this, you've probably already tried that. You've felt stuck, overwhelmed, like life's moving and you're just watching. But what if I told you that in just 7 days, you could completely reset your brain, shut down the mental noise, clear out the negativity, and finally feel in control again? This is not any theory, not fluff. It's a 7-day transformation challenge. And if you stay with me for the next few minutes, you won't just feel different. You will be different. Day 1. Clean the mental clutter. Your mind is full of tabs, unfinished thoughts, worries, regrets, to-do lists. So today, you do a brain dump. Take a notebook or your phone and write down everything that's in your head. No filter, no order. Just empty it out. You're not solving anything yet. You're just clearing the noise. Think of it like restarting your phone after months. Everything runs smoother because you can't reset your brain until you shut down the mess running in the background. Day 2. Dopamine detox. Light. We're addicted to quick hits, scrolling, reels, sugar, constant stimulation. But your brain needs boredom to reset focus. So for today, no social media, no binging, no junk food for 12 hours. Instead, go for a walk, write something in journal, read something slow. You'll feel restless at first. That's your brain crying for a fix. But by evening, you'll notice your thoughts are quieter and you can breathe again. This is the foundation of clarity. Day 3. Move your body to move your brain. It means wake up your brain through your body. You do not need a gym for it. Just 20 minutes of movement. A brisk walk, dancing, stretching, push-ups, anything that gets your blood flowing. Your brain isn't wired for stillness. Motion wakes it up. Do it first thing in the morning and you'll feel alert, focused, and ready. When the body moves, the mind follows. And trust me, a clear brain starts with a moving body. Day 4. Digital fasting. You are going for a digital fast for 6 hours. That means no phone, no laptop, no screens, no internet for 6 hours. Similar to traditional fasting from food. Now, what do you do instead? Clean your room, cook something, sit with your thoughts. Write down goals. You'll feel weird, bored, even a little anxious. But slowly, your brain will start to reconnect with real life, not just pixels or screen time. It's in that silence that your brain begins to reset. Day 5. Write a new identity. Rewrite the story in your head. Because the story you tell yourself controls your life. I'm lazy. I'm not smart. I'll never change. It's time to delete those lies. Today, write down a new identity. I am someone who finishes what I start. I am disciplined. I am becoming the strongest version of me. Read it out loud every morning. Your brain becomes what it hears repeatedly. Feed it power. Day 6. Face what you're avoiding. Let's be real. We all have that one thing we have been avoiding. A tough conversation, a decision we keep delaying, or maybe it's that task that's been sitting on your to-do list for weeks. And every time you avoid it, it doesn't go away. It just sits in the back of your mind, stealing your energy, your peace, your focus. Today, you face it. Not all at once. Just take one small step towards it. Send the message. Open the file. Admit what you're feeling, because avoidance feels safe now. But in the long run, it keeps you stuck. It's not about being fearless. It's about being brave. Day 7. Lock in the new routine. Final day. You've made it to day 7. Lock it in. Today, reflect. What habits made you feel alive? What distractions lost their grip? What one thing will you continue every day, no matter what? Write it, say it, commit to it. Because transformation isn't about doing something once, it's about what you repeat. Your brain resets when your actions become consistent. You don't need to move to a mountain. You don't need a 3-month retreat. You just need 7 days of intention. You just need a reason to stop living like a zombie and start choosing your thoughts again. This challenge won't just reset your brain, it will reset your belief in yourself. Because when you start showing up for yourself, everything begins to change. So try it. Give your brain the reset it deserves. And if it helps, share this challenge with someone you love. If you made it this far, you're serious about change. So here's what I want you to do. Drop a I'm in the comments if you're starting this challenge today. And if you want more weekly challenges like this, hit that subscribe button because your life doesn't change in one day, but one day can start the change.